Hello, my name is Rodolfo Humberto Tamayo, and I am part of team number 4, along with Gabriel Bermudez, and we are passing the course of Emergent Technologies and Autonomous Driving, and we are going to present our project so you can see what it is about, and we are going to present a small prototype we have been working on. So first of all, we all know that autonomous driving is a very hot topic in the industry, with very big companies trying to build their own vehicles that can drive themselves, and also with some other projects that are not exclusively of the automobile industry. For example, we have seen that NASA recently launched some vehicles so it can be on Mars autonomous. So it's a very hot topic, and we have been building an application specifically for the automobile industry, so the vehicles can be connected. The main objective of our app is that I can see other people that have downloaded the app, and I will have information about them, and they will have information about me, especially information about their position and what's their velocity. So the purpose of this is to reduce the number of sensors that the vehicles have, because I can, by my app, know what's their position, what's their velocity, instead of having a lot of sensors that increase the price of the vehicle, also increase the weight, and well, they need to be trained extensively. So this connection allows us to improve the environment for autonomous driving. Another important aspect of our project is that some vehicles, for example, fire trucks, the police vehicles, and vehicles like that, also healthcare vehicles, they are very important. And when they are approaching us, no matter what, we need to step aside and let them go through, even if we have to get close to other people or get out of the road. These type of behaviors is very hard to train for the autonomous vehicles. So our app will know when they are close by all the information that is being passing, and it will let us know that we have this type of vehicle which are very important close to us, so we can take control or be more alert. Also, a very important part of our project is the image recognition. This app could be built for education, so we have decided to add image recognition in order to identify these type of vehicles. The people who are learning, they should be alert when they are not driving, and they can be using the app to see their surroundings and be alert and start to learning when these vehicles are going through. If they don't identify them, the app should have a notification that one of the vehicles was not identified. Therefore, the person who is learning should be improving. And when you finally get over the car and you get to the place where you want to go, the app will also give you some statistics about how was your driving. For example, it could give you your velocity, your average velocity, what's your acceleration, if you brake very fast or if you accelerate very fast and you need to improve in those aspects, which this information will be useful in several ways. First of all, it can be used to analyze how's the driving of the vehicles. It can be, therefore you can improve. It could also be analyzed how the autonomous vehicles are compared to humans. So this might be very important because we have asked questions before, and we know that most people expect that autonomous driving is safer than how we as humans drive. So this information might help us to know if they are safer or not. And we can analyze errors in conduction, or for example, if we use it to education again, the fathers can know, or parents can know how their children are driving, well, their sons or daughters are driving. For example, if they drive very fast, we will know through the app. So I am going to present what we have built and some of the features of our app. As of the moment, it's a prototype, it's not ready, but we have some features. First of all, I am going to show the image recognition. If I click on the camera, this is a simulator, therefore it takes photos only of the album, but if we use a real device, we would be able to take pictures. And if we take, for example, this, we could see that it's identified as a vital vehicle. Also, because this was green, and it says that it's a fire truck, we can see it on the analytics that was obtained here. I'm going to scroll very fast to the information. Here we can see that it identified first as a fire truck, so it works properly. It also works with other types of vehicles. For example, this identifies as an ambulance. Well, I'm gonna try it again, so I don't have to scroll all the way. Here we can see that it says that it's an ambulance, so it's working properly. And another important feature that we have right now is that we can create a new account for the people, which is very important. This shows our authentication online. Right now I have only one email that I use to make tests, but I am going to add another one. You can see that here's just one, and I am going to add a new account. It will be test@hotmail.com and a password. Sign up, and I'm in the main screen again. And right now, if I just click reset, I will have my new test Hotmail in the cloud, which is very important so we can be communicated. Also, it's important to mention that it has some security feature. For example, if I don't write a secure password, it will tell me that I need to have a more secure password, or if my email doesn't match the requirements of if it's not proper written or it's not a real email, it will say that it's not a real email. And by clicking here, I can get information. I'm going to delete this. And by clicking here, I can get my location. So this is the most important part of our project. And it says that the data has been saved correctly on the cloud. And here I have the location from latitude and longitude. And here also in the Firestore database, I have it right here. I am going to delete this so we can see how new information is going to be created and not that I already have it. So as you can see now, I don't have any information, but if I click here, it says you've got the location, this is my email, and the data set correctly on the cloud. And if I am here, I can see that it's here on the cloud. So of course we are missing some things of the project, but this is our prototype as of the moment. We will keep working and we will communicate more devices, and we hope that this creates a better environment for autonomous driving. Thank you so much for listening to us. I hope that you can give us some feedback on the project. Thank you.